Morning everybody, this is Austin with a 60-second affiliate marketing tip. Again, we're going to talk about niches today and the importance of picking a good one. There's three things I can think of right off the bat that would make a niche important. And one's going to be social media following. It should have a strong presence. That's usually where you're going to get a lot of your research, a lot of your leads and interests coming from. The second reason would be, or the second important thing would be that there has to be interest. So if there's people that are interested in buying your products or services, that's obviously makes a good niche. And the third one's going to be a constant interest. If you have people that 1 week are interested in buying your services and then all of a sudden it dries up and you don't get any more interest, obviously you haven't picked a very good niche. So you want to make sure that there's constant interest. There's people that are always interested in your products, services, even if they're not willing to buy. As long as they're interested, that's always a potential customer later on down the road. So those are things to think about when you're picking a niche. Hopefully this information has been useful. If you like what I've said, please like my post. Subscribe to my page, and if you think it's going to be of interest to someone else, please share my video. I have attached my social media links underneath, so if you'd like to see some of the other stuff that I've done, please feel free. Until next time, thank you for watching, and take care.